3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah. Time's over, boy.
What's up, y'all? Welcome to the shop. Right now, you're looking at the Transformer 2000. The reason why I call it the Transformer is because every day that I come in here, I always have to take off or put on the mow and go whenever I do my thing. So today, what I'm gonna do is sharpen blades, y'all. I got blades that needs to be sharpened. Ain't no getting around it. It's inevitable. So I already sharpened this one right here. Gonna sharpen this. This is, believe it or not, a brand new blade. I cut like 14 yards with it and it looked like this. I don't know if it's because I'm just getting started and basically I was doing a lot of mulching. I don't know why in the world them blades got damaged that bad, but it's cool. It's no big deal. Very windy day, as you can see. The gazebo being blown around. Not being blown around, but the sheets, the thing that covers it is being blown around. But yeah, I'm finna sharpen this, man, and I'll just talk to you while I'm sharpening. But yeah, I had just sharpened the mulch blades for the Toro Pro line. So we finna go from there. So let's get started and see what's cracking, right?
Wake up, thank God, kiss my wife, hug my dog, and get great love. In this life, I'm confident and I stand tall. Check for customers, missed calls, head to the bathroom stall. Mirror, mirror that's on the wall, don't say a thing, just let me ball. Today's the day that I want it all, no hesitation, no pause or stall. Made my meditation on money making, exceed beyond the thoughts of the lost. Through the dedication of education, I see the secret financial laws. Boy, I'm in the matrix and it feel contagious, this is inclinations of a real life boss. I manifested my thoughts, I plan invested in bought. I stand erected and talk, directed methods that lost. With introspective impulse, I corrected imminent loss. It was meant effective in cost. Man, I make assessments in golf with many lessons business had brought. Every single blessing that I came across was finessed with the message that the game taught. Gotta be the best or get lost, so you end up in a mess, so stressed and pissed off. If you pass the test and destiny calls for you to go ahead and flex the best that you floss, and that's that. Green mask, green gloves, green hat, green truck, green grass, green bucks, green stacks, green duck. Green mask, green gloves, green hat, green trucks, green dog, green dove. You can call me the green plug. Green mask, green gloves, green hat, green trucks, green grass, green bucks, green stacks, green duck, green backs, green gloves, green mask, green glove, green dog, green dove. You can call me the green plug. Green mask, green gloves, green hat, green truck, green grass, green bucks, green stacks, green duck. Green mask, green gloves, green hat, green trucks, green dog, green dove. You can call me the green plug. Green mask, green gloves, green hat, green trucks, green grass, green bucks, green stacks, green duck, green backs, green gloves, green mask, green glove, green dog, green dove. You can call me the green plug. You can call me the green plug. Crazy how I came up in this game and then I ran amok. It's Larry Johnson Jr., LJJ, Lawncare, all on them trucks. I stand insanely on it, bro. I love to gain a customer. I mainly maintain what I must. I earn their trust off of the bucks. I'm blessing them with beauty cuts and placing them on YouTube, cause I'm trying to get subscriptions up. I'm driven by ambition, bro. I'm all about integrity. You should never compare to me unless you wanna see how deep your insecurity can be. I'm rolling solo in these streets and all I know is to live free. I'm full of peace, but when it comes to Lawncare, boy, I am a beast. I never leave until it's clean. I get them weeds and everything. I throw some seeds and motion leaves and trim them trees and charge them fees. And yes, I am the king of string. I said exactly what I mean. You see the way I do my thing. Them edges squared and crispy clean. And if you haven't did it yet, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share. And best believe that LJJ Lawncare is gonna be right there. and trip when you purchase this. May every verse that I choose to kick reverse the curse of you being broke. May your pockets get super duper rich. We rule against any hooligans that do a cut for 20 bucks. That's not enough to pay for the truck. Have you lost your mind? What you smoking, bro? That's not enough for me to pay a bill. That's not enough for me to buy a meal. That's not enough for me to feel a thrill. That's not enough for the life I live. That's not enough for me to strike a deal. That's not enough for me to blow the steel. That's not enough for me to mow the field. Boy, you must be on them pills. Or do you smoke that crack? Maybe you dabbing meth. You gotta be on something for you to give a price like that. You didn't include the tax. I'm telling the truth and facts. We tryna recoup them stacks and make all our loot come back. I'm pushing it to the max. I'm holding it down like brand new racks. I'm going cuckoo, man. Got this game in the OG Susu Flex. I'm body slamming these tracks. My customers coming in packs. I'm always dismissing them brats that's asking for discounts in the chat. Like, hey, that's not the way that this game go. My time's fine like aged wine. My mind stay on my cake, bro, always. Money stick to my hands like clay dough. Ain't ever need no cosign. My bank account gon' straight grow. Don't play. I'm on the grind like wing blaze glow. Can't stop my shine, I want every dime for the service that I had gave. So now pay. I guess I'm stuck in my ways, bro. Gotta maintain that bottom line just in case the business get plain slow. Now hey, this is LJJ's Lawncare. I'll be there in a jiffy to make your lawn be crispy and square. This is LJJ's Lawncare. My prices are so thrifty, you might just want to tip me, I'm rare. This is LJJ's Lawncare. Whether it's scorching or it's nippy, in the morning I will swiftly be there. This is LJJ's Lawncare. Just call me if you need me. No stalling, I'm not greedy, I'm fair. Let me tell you about this liar named Dustin. Man, he's the type of customer that shouldn't been trusted. He asked me for my services and urgently rushed me. His grass was overgrown, man, I cut it and plushed it. Now what he did can make a preacher start cussing. I told him send my payment, but he would not budge, man. After the 5th day, I felt dumbly disgusted. I knew it was my fault from the money I lusted, but I wanna take his head, crack it and bust it. I want the blood to be trickling, gushing. I wanna hold open his eyes and rub it with my dog shadows feces till it's puffing and pussing, man. I'm thinking wait outside his house and rush him, beat him down, grab his bank account, route numbers and flush it. I might as well get really begrudging, burn his crib down, steal his car, crash it and crush it. But that's not the way it goes. You must stay professional. How are you gon' get your blessings? You must teach others this lesson. I know you want your revenge, cause you didn't get paid, young man. That's why we all make them pay first. That's just the way this Lawncare game works.
What's going on, man? look like I got actually 4 pair of blades that I might be keeping. Ain't no might. These 4 I will be using. These 3 is out of here, man. I'm gonna have to let these go. Nah, I'm gonna throw them away. They're done. I got blades that I had since I had started. Yeah, so this is already sharpened. These are most blades, so I'm pretty much done, y'all. This is my first year doing it like this, as far as making sure, you know, checking stuff out. Look at this. I mean, I fixed them a little bit, but I'd rather just get some new blades, y'all. That's how I am, like, seriously. I already got 4 pair. I might not even get no more. Yep. Yeah, I'm not liking how they look. See, I like them more long, you know, I can't explain, but it's like more metal right there and everything. But yeah, that's how this game go, y'all. Yeah. So I just sharpened 3 pair for no reason. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and hit that bell and stick with me, y'all. And I believe the more entertaining, or the most of my entertainment, come from late night chat with the Wolf Pack. So holler at me when I do that, and I'm gonna holler at y'all back. All right, peace.
Crazy how I came up in this game and then I ran amok. It's Larry Johnson Jr., LJJ, Lawncare, all on them trucks. I stand insanely on it, bro. I love to gain a customer. I mainly maintain what I must. I earn their trust off of the bucks. I'm blessing them with beauty cuts and placing them on YouTube, cause I'm trying to get subscriptions up. I'm driven by ambition, bro. I'm all about integrity. You should never compare to me unless you wanna see how deep your insecurity can be. I'm rolling solo in these streets, and all I know is to live free. I'm full of peace, but when it comes to Lawncare, boy, I am a beast. I never leave until it's clean. I get them weeds and everything. I throw some seeds and motion leaves and trim them trees and charge them fees. And yes, I am the king of string. I said exactly what I mean. You see the way I do my thing. Them edges squared and crispy clean. Then if you haven't did it yet, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share. And best believe that LJJ Lawncare is gonna be right there.